Compare folders in Windows 10 for redundant data. If your data isn't well organized and clutter-free, there will be redundant data for sure. That means duplicate or even more copies of data that occupy storage space and cause disorganization. In the same way, empty folders serve no purpose. You can purge duplicate data and empty folders on your own if you're sure of the effort, time, and concentration required. An easier approach is to use an automated tool like Clone Files Checker. This software will scan thousands of files in minutes and guarantees 100% accuracy. Here's how. 1. Download Clone Files Checker from its website and install it. 2. Open up the program and click Add to select all the locations you want to scan. 3. Hit the Start Search button and wait for the software to do the job. 4. Click Quick Fix in the Scan Results window. 5. Select Newest and Permanent Delete on the next two screens, and the duplicates will be purged right there. Now click the Remove Empty Folders link to start up the Clean Empty Folders tool. Just hit the Add Path button to add up all locations to be scanned for empty folders, and then click the Delete Empty Folders button to start the deletion.